Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Omkar English Classes, the easiest way to English grammar. Students, in this video you will learn past perfect continuous tense. All the three parts have been included in a single video: affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence. Students, before going ahead, don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you may get the latest NCERT videos on literature and grammar. Past perfect continuous tense. We can identify this tense with the words रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे with time. But in past continuous tense, we could find रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे without time. So students, the only difference between past perfect continuous and past continuous tense is of time only. In this tense, we will use time also. This tense expresses the regularity or continuity of the action with time in past at the time of speaking. Action was not completed. It was going on, but it was going on for some time. So, we can see the examples. She had been singing songs for 2 hours. We had been going to school since Monday. Those two brothers had been watering their field for 2 hours. I had been walking in the park since morning. Students, you can see the helping verb and the time indicators. In the first sentence, had been and time indicator is for. In second sentence, again had been and time indicator is since. In the same way, in third sentence, the time indicator is for, and in the fourth sentence, the time indicator is since. Students, to see the use of since and for, you can see the video on this YouTube channel of present perfect continuous tense. We have used the same time indicators in present perfect continuous tense. I have given a complete chart in that tense. If you want to see, you can see there. Affirmative sentence. In past perfect continuous tense, in affirmative sentence, the formula is subject, had, been, first form of the verb with ing, object, since or for, and time. Since for point of time and for period of time. Point of time means that you can use since with the times which are fixed, like name of days, name of months, any year, and day breaks like morning, evening, noon, night, and some other words also like since childhood, etc. You can use for with the time that is not fixed, that is period of time, like number of days, like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, number of months, like 2 months, 3 months, number of years, like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and some other words like sometimes, sometime, long time, you can use for. Examples: वह लड़की सन 1995 से इस शहर में रह रही थी. That girl had been living in this city since 1995. Students, we have used since because the year is given directly. Next, वे 1 घंटे से स्टेशन पर आपकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे. They had been waiting for you at the station for an hour. Negative sentence. The formula is subject, had, not, been. First form of the verb with ing, object, since or for, and time. Students, we will use not between had and been. Since is again for point of time and for is for period of time. Examples. इस कमरे में मास्टर जी 10 बजे से अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ा रहे थे. The teacher had not been teaching English in this room since 10 o'clock. लड़के मैदान में 1 घंटे से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. Boys had not been playing cricket in the ground for an hour. Interrogative sentence. Questions. In interrogative sentence, we can see 2 types of sentences, yes or no type and WH type. In yes or no type, the formula will be had, subject, not, if need. Not will be used if we need it. Been, first form of the verb with ing, object, since or for, and time. Since again for point of time and for is for period of time. Example. क्या पुष्पा 10 बजे से निबंध लिख रही थी? Had Pushpa been writing an essay since 10 o'clock? Now, formula of WH type. WH word, had, subject, not if need, been, first form of the verb with ing, object, since or for, and time. Example. रजिया को 6 महीने से इंग्लिश कौन पढ़ा रहा था? Who had been teaching English to Razia for 6 months? Exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs given. Students, you will use had been and form of the verb and time indicator also. So students, be alert. Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.